Are your joints painful and arthritic? Do you have high blood pressure and high cholesterol? This universal miracle cure that we are going to talk about today is definitely going to help you. Greetings to everyone. This is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. If you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so you will become a part of our community and you will receive weekly health videos that will benefit our beloved seniors, you, and your family. Happy New Year to everybody! Since it is the beginning of the year and since we have experienced firsthand how important is health with everything that has been going on around the world lately, it is never too late to be proactive about our health. Today you are going to learn about one of nature's most marvelous and versatile medicine, the unique fatty molecules found in fish. If you have the symptoms I have mentioned to you a while ago, this video will help you. The unique fats from fish is needed by your cells. It is so important that your body would collapse without it, and it will cripple one in ways quite unsuspected. Around 30% of fish oil is made up of omega-3s, while the remaining 70% is made up of other fats. Fish oil also contains some vitamin A and D. Although you can get omega-3 from plants, omega-3s found in fish oil have greater health benefits than those from plant sources because the main omega-3s in fish oil are EPA and DHA. EPA is needed for your heart and DHA is important for your brain, and both work together to reduce inflammation throughout your body. This is very helpful because inflammation can lead to different conditions and it can damage your blood vessels, which can lead to heart disease and stroke. It is very important to get enough omega-3 because the current diet has replaced a lot of omega-3s with other fats like omega-6, and the distorted ratio of fatty acids can contribute to many diseases. Here are the symptoms and conditions where omega-3 can be very beneficial. Number 1, you have an irregular heartbeat. Although an irregular heartbeat may strike anyone suddenly, people who had heart attacks are more at risk. Latest research suggests that fish oil can be a marvelous medicine to help people with an irregular heart rhythm, which, when severe enough, can lead to heart attack. The cardiovascular health study found that in almost 4,000 elderly adults without a history of cardiovascular disease, those who consumed fish 3 times a week or more had a 58% lower risk of dying from an irregular heartbeat or heart disease as compared with those who only ate fish less than 1 per week. Number 2, if you have high cholesterol, triglycerides, and high blood pressure. Did your current laboratory results show that you have an elevated cholesterol and triglycerides? Are you currently taking statins or cholesterol-lowering medications? Omega-3 can also help you. Omega-3 can increase the level of your good cholesterol known as your HDL while lowering your triglycerides, which is a type of blood fat that can be dangerous to your arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids have been proven to lower abnormally high triglycerides by 28%, and you will see it lower within several weeks. Omega-3 can also prevent plaques that can cause your arteries to harden, as well as make your arterial plaques more stable and safer if you already have them. Because if it is unstable, this plaque formation may lead to stroke if it happens in the brain and heart attack if it happens in your heart. If you have hypertension, omega-3 even in small doses can help reduce blood pressure. In the Journal of Hypertension published last 2018, the omega-3 index in Japan, a country with one of the highest fish consumption, showed that they have the highest life expectancies and lowest rates of coronary artery disease. Number 3, you have arthritic and joint pain. If you have joint pain and morning stiffness caused by arthritis, consider omega-3 in fish oil. There are many studies over the past years that showed that consuming fish oil gives you relief from the swelling, pain, and stiffness caused by arthritis. Last 2018, the Global Journal of Health Science found that in 60 patients with active rheumatoid arthritis, supplementation with omega-3 had resulted to significant improvement of symptoms, which led to lesser use of anti-rheumatic drugs, which sometimes have a side effect of weight gain. Omega-3 fatty acids had been proven capable of reducing morning stiffness and the number of painful and swollen joints. Number 4, if you are unable to concentrate like you used to before. Lack of DHA in brain cell membrane will compromise the function of your brain, such as your ability to focus. This is because omega-3 helps transmit information along your brain cells. In fact, it will not only affect your ability to focus and concentrate, it can also affect your memory, attention, and behavior. Do you know that younger children who lack omega-3 fatty acids are more at risk of having behavioral and learning problems such as ADHD? Omega-3 fatty acids can help parents who are looking for ways on how to help support or treat ADHD for their children. Number 5, you have dry skin and hair and you have brittle nails. Omega-3 can moisturize your skin and fight redness and dryness because omega-3 improves your skin barrier function to help seal in moisture and block off irritants. Also, high intake of omega-3 had been linked to a lower risk of atopic dermatitis in infants and improves psoriasis symptoms in adults. Omega-3s may also help prevent or reduce acne because of its anti-inflammatory property. Although sulfates, hair styling, and exposure to the sun can all give you dull, dry, and brittle hair, one cause is omega-3 deficiency. Omega-3 fatty acids can provide protection to your crowning glory since omega-3 can nourish hair at the hair follicles to boost strength, luster, and thickness, while also protecting you from dandruff and hair loss. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology suggests that omega-3 supplements can actually reverse hair loss. So if you have thinning hair, look into omega-3. If your nails easily break, you could be deficient in omega-3 fatty acids. Essential fatty acids nurture the cells in the nail bed and encourage the absorption of nutrients to promote healthy nail growth. Number 6, you have chronic abdominal pain. Chronic abdominal pain can be due to colitis. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammatory bowel disease that causes inflammation and ulcers in the large intestine and rectum. Symptoms usually develop over time rather than suddenly. Do you know that omega-3 can help with people suffering from inflammatory bowel disease? This is because omega-3 can slash inflammatory agents in your digestive tract for as much as 60%. For many years, the American Heart Association has recommended the consumption of omega-3 rich food such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies at least 2 times or 3 times a week to protect your arteries and your heart. But if you don't like fish, or if you can't eat that much, have had a heart attack, or at high risk of heart disease, fish oil capsule is an alternative. A dose of 300 to 600 mg of fatty acid daily will help, but it may be necessary to increase the dosage if you are pregnant, nursing, or at high risk of heart disease. Many supplements contain up to 1,000 mg of fish oil per serving, but only 300 mg of EPA and DHA. Read the label and choose a supplement that contains at least 500 mg of EPA and DHA per 1,000 mg of fish oil. Should you want to supplement, check with your doctor first, especially if you're taking blood thinners such as aspirin, heparin, and warfarin, since omega-3 in combination with this medication can cause possible drug interaction. Some concerns have been expressed on oxidation and environmental contaminants such as pesticides and mercury in fish oil capsules. Capsules are considered safe than eating certain fish from contaminated waters. If you want to supplement, it is best to take omega-3 with vitamin E in the label because it helps maintain its quality. And one way to determine a good quality fish oil when you go to pharmacies and groceries is by laying different brands of fish oil and choosing the capsule that appears lightest. Take it together with a meal at dinner time since this will help prevent painful and stiff joints in the morning and prevent heart attacks that commonly happens in the morning. It is advisable to store fish oil capsules in your refrigerator to prevent oxidation. Also, cut down on the type of fat called omega-6, which are found in vegetable and corn oil, mayonnaise, and shortenings for you to get the full benefit from your omega-3 either from natural sources or through supplementation. I hope that you find this video helpful as we try to be more proactive about our health. Please share this important video to your friends and family members so we are able to reach out and help more people. What type of fish rich in omega-3 is more accessible and most affordable in your place? Please comment down below because I would really love to hear from you. Should you have any questions regarding omega-3 deficiency or any topics that I might be able to help you with, please comment down below and I would surely get back on you. This is again Doc Cherry. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.